Hi, let's now try to understand the DTMF Decoder IC 9170B. This is an 18-pin IC which has got an input arrangement at pin number 2 with this kind of C and R arrangement. It's got to be connected to a crystal of 3.579545 megahertz crystal in this arrangement. And then we also have an R and C arrangement here for certain frequency internal oscillator, and this is the output D0, D1, D3, D2 and D3. If we look at the simulation way, see, working of a DTMF decoder IC is that when a number is pressed, it gives somewhat similar to a binary code. As per the table that we see in the manufacturer's data sheet. Like for example, DTMF means dual tone. This is one frequency, this is another frequency for digit 1. And this is output enable. Let's not discuss about this more. We will learn it later. And then these are the output D0, D1, D2, D3. Now when this is digit 1, this gives this kind of tones, and those tones give this kind of output in terms of, it is a binary output 1 0 0 0 or 0 0 0 1. For 2 it is 0 0 1 0. For 3 it is 0 0 1 1. We'll see the same thing in the simulation. Now this is the keypad of any telephone receiver or a cell phone. Normally in a matrix keypad we call it. We have heard about the matrix keypad, how it functions. And now when we try to understand more about it, we find that when we press 1, it gives a binary output of 0 0 0 1, and 2 0 0 1 0, 3 2 plus 1 3, 4 this is 4, 5 4 plus 1 5, that is 0 1 0 1, 6 7 8 9 and so on. This is what is the working of the DTMF decoder IC when it receives the tone command at this place. When it receives the tone command at this place, it delivers this kind of digital output. As per the table like this, these are the tone commands in fact which are coming, and those tone commands result in this kind of output, excepting in his and the 0 also it gives high low 8 plus 2 10. In fact this is 0 means 10, because the 10 pulses have to go as far as the telephone is concerned. For star it is like this, and for hash is this way, and for ABCD, if at all there is a matrix keypad which has got ABCD also, which is force in a 4 column 4 line. This we are talking about a 3 column 4 line. In a 3 column 4 line arrangement, the output is, this is the way that we find the output, and that is how the DTMF decoder IC is working. And from the output generally, since this is what we have seen, that this output is binary output, and normally if at all you have to connect it to some other circuit ahead of it, and we use a buffer. The buffer could be an inverter, it could be a simple buffer, but then in many cases we use an inverter. If I use an inverter, that means whatever output I get from this IC, like for example if I get 1 0 0 1, and if it is inverter, it will be 0 1 1 0. That means the digit number 9, or say for example digit number 5 will be, as far as the after inverting, will be 1 0 1 0, which is just the reverse of the arrangement that we have, and that is how it is interfaced to the circuit for program to understand. And then this is how the IVRS also works, interactive voice response system, where the number is converted, the tone is converted to the particular number in the binary number, and that is how it works. This table is universal throughout the world, and that is why anywhere we use any number, these are the frequencies which are the dual tone is generated, and the tone decoder decodes it. There is an arrangement for tone encoder also. We will discuss that separately in the tone encoder section. Thank you.